Ka kenhun kiseng balang ka bakentop ya ka Henyo Trap Youth Council HYC, Khasi Students Union North Khasi Hills District, bat ka Henyo Trap Integrated Territorial Organization hito bat kiway, ha ka arpenyo tarik nailur, kilatur syakat ling Sun Chlong Airport, ban penpau ya kajing persyak halor kajing temuwan ka kenhun shit nyam Hindu, ban wan nyalap khang bam dok masi, bat ban penbana baka masi kadeka kemi jong kari. Kani ka kenhuan shit nyam Hindu ka Jyotish Pithadhishwar Shankara Charya Avimuktishwarananda kala depan benadang shen bakan penlong ya kajingat patba banyalap khang bam dok masi kabalat tip kum ka gaw dwat Stapana Bharat Yatra ha ka artarik risau ha nongba Shillong. Kumta hadian bala sapriang ka khubor halor kajing temu ban yuk jat jong nongelam ka kenhuan shit nyam Hindu kinongelam badkhot jong kini kiseng balang kilalet ban kerkut ya ka khardap ban rong ban mi kinonglet nongwan jong ka Shillong Airport ha umroi ribhoi. U James Hitler Maupnyang General Secretary ka KSU North Khasi Hills District ula ong dalele kanam ailat ya kinu ki kinhuan shit nyam ban wan ban batai start ne yalam bakla ya ka jinget bat kumju halor ka rukam bam di unong shong shnong. Uroy ko parson ram presiden ke HYC ula penram ru ya ka jimbam dan ka jinggit kli menteri rangba ka jela ban khanglat ya ka jing temu penlong ya ka rali persya bam dok masi hapo ka jela. Kani ka jingker kot kiseng balang ya ka airport kala penlong ya ka bor penyat district ka Ribhoi ban pha ya Majistor syakakat ling Sun. Uni Majistor ula ya keren bat kinongelam seng balang bala pentikna ban kaliang ka bor district kimsya ban her kinongelam shit nyam Hindu ban light na kinu ki jingjia. Kumta hadian ka jinga keren bat Majistor kinongelam bat kidkhot jong kiseng balang ru kelaya prano na Shillong Airport.
Nong nimpa pakandon kuno ka ajing ya mi gori rapi nama ka kata ijin nong leki nongwan ini long concern ni ki jadi jingwan jadi ni kisang balang ru kalau baik tik tanang kita itahi ko ingin namsa uta man sempena baka masih gede tu ni jong nor jong no ni pak nang kata ingin long concern ka budi bat kaluan ada ini mah ni suka amal confirm lada wan rasi ko bakal dia bat lada wan ru undom isuba pen phai dia kata di jingkwa mah
here today at Umroi. As HYC, we have made a stand very clear. We will not allow any outsider to come and dictate terms on us. We will not allow them to tell us what to eat and what not to eat. And also at the same time, we will not allow their propaganda to reach our place in which they are supposed to tell us that we should recognize cow as the mother of the nation. See, us Henyo Trap people, we take our mother in a very high esteem. We don't compare them with cows or any animals. So our message is very clear to these people: do not come into our state and disturb the peace and harmony that we are living. And at the same time, do not come and tell us what to eat and what not to eat. And at the same time, also what to worship and what not to worship. We have our own constitutional rights under the constitution as well as the indigenous right. We will practice that as long as we live in this land of ours. People should not leave Umroi Airport at any cost. We will, our volunteers, our members will be present here along with the people of the Khasi and Jaintia Hills. We will be giving a press statement calling everyone to gather at Umroi Airport tomorrow at 12 p.m. And at the same time, we also urge the state government through the district administration, both of Ribhoi district as well as the East Khasi district. We have not seen any statement given by them whether they have given any permission or not to these people to hold that rally tomorrow. If they have not given any statement, we urge them. We demand that a statement should come forth from both the district commissioner that the rally proposed to be held by this group should be banned in Shillong city, as well as they should not be allowed to enter the local jurisdiction of Ribhoi and the East Khasi Hills district. And we find it very funny to see that the statement of the chief minister yesterday or day before yesterday, where he said that the power lies with the deputy commissioner in order to give permission or not. We understand actually the chief minister is supposed to be the executive head of the state. He is supposed to look after the peace and harmony of the state, but him washing his hands off and putting the blame in the DC is something that is not acceptable. And I think he has seen various organizations has condemned his statement, but at the same time we also want to make our stand very clear that if these people are allowed to enter Shillong tomorrow, if any law and order problem arises, the responsibility will be on the district administration as well as the chief minister and his council of ministers. We will not be held responsible, and we have made a stand very clear that these people will not be allowed to enter Shillong at any cost. At any cost means at any cost. If anything happen on the way, or if anything happen on the place where they are holding a rally, the responsibility will be of the district administration and the government of Meghalaya.
Ada halor bang Iwan di sembilan lang buat ngilam concern nak bentang kalau lu an order jong kenika airport ang ni ka bahak pokok ke jurisdiction jong ka umroi pulun gitu. Tang ketahi ke bana kalian juga ko munong lam senong ngadan matimpang kan ko.
Kumulong senong.
Aku bidi pak kenika isu lang bagi kubur social media ngi bakal along ke isu ke klik ha ke jela not east ke ni berkowe. Jadi ke bana kalian jungi kumkin lam senong tenam barok nam ne jungi tinggi di bam dok mesti di ban ong hi ban penbena baka taka mesti ketika kini gijung kita ngimla ban pediang namar ba kumno ya ubri on khana ka mesti ya ubri to kha ubri di nakaliang tuni tinggi persya akan dia kata ka jumbu gijung ki bat ya ke ka banadu hentai kulong kumak ke lebu baka mesti lele ke dok mesti le ketika dok mesti ke batai bahai ka tepat ini ke kumkin lam senong ya ke bi pening semua persya bat ni air di kersan ni kini kesengalang namar baki wan ban muslia ye ke bagi long sama suah kila bu bej hak bidi baka bam gedi ke ba kum gejek berfesi ngilong hadu mentah hadu suah hadu mentah
Kum munong ilong senong
ka bangadon ban penpau teng jumpi kan ke pon nakaliang juni kum kino senong UI ba kan ke isu la dan nakaliang ke sarkar kam simkhia bantek lakam UI bagi ni kisamla gitu ni kani kading kanang pur na ko kasing ko ipat kay ka bakum kino senong ki bapet ya kasuk kasany ha bidor basnong gidungi ha gidong bitan gidungi ka gidon ban ay ka message sa government lan sa sarkar kalong ba kinsim kya ha kay pakai isu kanang kani kading kanom kelang sigui pat kisaka iya kat badang don ka por kin sloha ba simkya kanang maginumi inubi kijingja ki makta ito susuk santay ha po kani gejala
Iwan ha kawi kesur kalong ba kamdai ka ba Iwan ban namta jono harai kadai namta jongki pajba jong kari khasibi kismiji kaba hakaba kidon kita ki bor man nabar lo persang ban muslia wat habai dei bat kar kum im kar kam bam kum di jingiru namar ngi hi nadu kemen barim musyam ladon hi kano kata ka restriction lane ka jingkhang ba ngi dei bam yo ta ngi bam yo ta ngi dei ban mane yo ta bat ngi mane ta wahadu mentah meneru hakabadei bat ya kano kenyam hakaliang jong hari kasih jungi hi nyai lai lut bat ngim syam late lakum hiru yanoi noru nakaliang jungi hi kumbang akran skmat ba kake isu hi kayang namta jong upat ke trap kamdei bang yang tang namta ya yalade nane ya kenyasem ring yang hi namta jong upat trap bat kadei klumlang ya barok bat kane kubor kapeni ya lagade sabar jong kejalan hapok kejala bagi isi kenyang bat kan yai yelek hi ban penek sa ke kata ban berim ulah hikai bat lapin tingi ban im banyak benyang bat kalon renyang ke cuci briuru bagi danah me por kasih lagade nak do bentaru nyelek hi kat bala ban sengek yakum pinai ke muslia banaba lagade napo rengko lagade napo sun lagade napo umru ke isi kayang namta taubat briuru ban persya ke persang manusia ini kibor ke distrik nyestu hi kidon la jong kamram ta kalong ban nundon kano kata ka law and orders sarengi ngi on kransai bangim sim la pentut ino la kade kiat kayeng la kade hakano bentah hanre yang tau u khot jong kui pat kita kiruniam abo persang banwan ra ya kubor bakla ija ngi jungi ni tengi o persya bungi bana kelang jungi persya lailum
di nongwan nong siknyam bawan tempra bawan penjat ya ka imlang salang ya ka imlang salang bagi habis kata habis kepada bo Meghalaya dia kumtahi tangba kat bang idang ya keren hi mentakas ngi bana ba kimya wan syu mentakas ngi te antahi ngilai keren bagi district magistrate bagi keluargaan tu bana kaliang juki kila ai ke assurance ba nakaliang jong cabinet ru kila ayo kata ka order ba kimdei ban ai ban lan ini gi riu siknyam ani po airport umroi Meghalaya kinum ai ban lan de nakaliang jong ki ru ki ong ba lasai ladaki wan ru nakaliang jong ka an kin khang yaki bat kin khang yaki bat kinum ai lan bat kin tengku ne kin ya penduk yaki local population de kata ka de ka assurance nakaliang jong ka authority Henry kum nakaliang jungi ru min one bait lasai bangin pen I kata ke jing shisha bat kabor jungi ki khasi ki point kami Meghalaya ngin wan la shai bak ngin wan hang ni ban pen I ta ka jing persya ba ban khang lat ikini ki riu shit nyam ba wan man khang e ka bam ka di ka nyam ka roti ka dustur jong ki khasi ki khara ki kun jong ka pat Meghalaya tam tai